Everyone has a different way of expressing themselves. Some choose art forms like music and dancing, others like to write poems and prose. However, one of the most underrated forms of art is architecture. Designing a great home is no easy task. A home where its residents can feel more comfortable than anywhere else in the world. Although most architects design homes that fit properly into the urban centers all around the world, there are a few who like to stand out. They use their homes to make a statement. Throughout history, people have gone from caves to huts to castles to blocks of flats, and nowadays, it seems like you can find an example of any house design possible. Some people are forced to get creative because of some physical restrictions, like smaller unusual space, while others do so just because and end up creating unique home designs. Here's a look at some of the strangest and bizarre houses from around the world. Before watching the video, make sure you like the video, spread the knowledge by sharing it to your friends and families, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do it right away. Anyway, let's begin, shall we? Number 5. Dick Clark's Flintstones-inspired home, USA. This house would have Fred Flintstone screaming "Yabba Dabba Doo" and calling for Wilma to come and admire the $3.5 million landmark property perched on remote headland in Malibu. The one-of-a-kind retreat is a place of serene seclusion, yet is merely minutes from the beach below. American producer and actor Dick Clark has put his Flintstone-esque home on the market, a distinctive mountain abode settled on a staggering 22.89 acres of land, offering an amazing full-rotation panorama of the Pacific Ocean, Channel Islands, Bonny Mountains, Serrano Valley, and Los Angeles. The exceptional dwelling contains one bedroom, 2 bathrooms, a fully functioning caveman kitchen, and Neolithic decor throughout. The interior of the Stone Age-styled pad is linked to exterior beauty by way of large expanses of glass, nestled in naturally irregular-shaped surrounds, frameless and organic in appearance, through which the tantalizing views of sea and mountain can be absorbed. Number 4. Old water tower turned into modern home, Belgium. Architect Mauro Brigham of BAM Design Studio has repurposed an old water tower in Belgium, simply known as Chateau d'Eau, into a livable home. The 30-meter-high tower, which was first constructed sometime between 1938 and 1941, has been transformed into a high-tech, modern residence that offers all the amenities of a typical house, from a bedroom and bathroom to storage space and a panoramic terrace. The exterior of the 6-story structure was originally renovated prior to the interior restoration, which began in 2007. Built to house a single family, the water tower home features a number of desirable aspects for any homeowner as well as a few truly unique functions. The home comes fully equipped with the latest in technology and an advanced domotic system that allows one to control various facets of the home. This includes anything from controlling the intensity and color of lights to the temperature of each room and the volume level of music playing on a sound system. Number 3. World's Slimmest House, Poland. Carrot House is a structure and art installation in Warsaw, Poland. It was designed by the architect Jacob through the architecture firm Centrala and has been described as the narrowest house in the world, measuring 92 centimeters at its thinnest point and 152 centimeters at its widest. The 2-story art installation was named after Israeli writer and filmmaker Edgar Carrot, who was the building's first tenant. The iron structure contains 2 floors and has 1 bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom and a living area. It has 2 non-opening windows, with sunlight also entering through translucent glass panels that make up the walls. The entire interior is painted white, and the building's electricity is obtained from a neighboring building. The house has custom water and sewage technology and is not connected to the city-provided water systems. Because of its small size, the building only accommodates a small 2-beverage refrigerator, and occupants use a ladder to travel from level to level. Entry is via retractable stairs, when closed, become the living area. The construction of the Carrot House was supported by the Warsaw Town Hall and the Polish Modern Art Foundation. The house is classified as an art installation because it does not meet Polish building codes, even though it is being used as a residence. In 2019, it was named as one of the most iconic houses in the world and included on a list of international projects honored by the architecture portal, Iconic Houses. Number 2. Skateboard House USA. The ultimate dream for generations of skateboarders who wanted to bring their practice into their home has finally come true. The PA House is the first house designed to be entirely used for skateboarding as well as being a traditional dwelling. The Skateboard House is the project of a private residence to be built in Malibu, California. In this house, you will be able to skate on any areas and surfaces, indoor and outdoor. The client and visionary of the project is Pierre-André Senezerds, a former world champion and pro skater and the founder of Etnies. The prototype of PA House was recently presented at Le Gate-Lyrique Museum in Paris. The house is divided into 3 separate spaces. The first one includes the living room, dining area and kitchen. The second one includes a bedroom and bathroom, and the third one a skateboard practice area. Each space is skatable, as the ground becomes the wall then the ceiling in a continuous surface forming a tube of a 10 feet radius. The furniture is also skatable, whether it is integrated in the curve like the sitting area, the kitchen or the bathroom, or just as standing object like the dining table, the kitchen island or the bed. Number 1. Transparent House Japan. If you say you have nothing to hide, try spending a few nights in the see-through house located in Tokyo, Japan. Built by Su Fujimoto Architects, this 914 square foot transparent house was inspired by our ancient predecessors who inhabited trees. While so-called House NA offers plenty of daylight, expect no privacy here. The intriguing point of a tree is that these places are not hermetically isolated, but are connected to one another in its unique relativity. To hearing one's voice from across and above, hopping over to another branch, a discussion taking place across branches by members from separate branches. These are some of the moments of richness encountered through such spatially dense living, says Su Fujimoto. The white steel frame structure itself shares no resemblance to a tree. Yet the life lived and the moments experienced in this space is a contemporary adaptation of the richness once experienced by the ancient predecessors from the time when they inhabited trees, says Su Fujimoto. So, what do you think about these 5 most unusual homes in the world? Are there any other such unusual homes in the world that haven't made it to the list? If yes, let us know in the comments section below. Want to watch more videos about such unusual things? Click the videos at the end. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so, and as always everybody, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.